G'day folks, it's DIY Guy 123 bringing you another do-it-yourself video. Today we're working on a 2019 F150 and we're going to be replacing the curtain airbags. These are the airbags that if you were a front passenger, they'd come down beside your ear that faces the door. These instructions are almost the same across all manufacturers of vehicles and all models that have curtain airbags. And always when dealing with airbags, the first thing you're going to do is disconnect the battery. You can really get away with just the negative terminal of the battery, but I take them both off. Then you wait at least 10 to 20 minutes before you start working on the airbag system. So this is what the airbags look all stretched out. There's a right side and a left side. So one has blue on it, and I believe that's the driver's side, and one has a red band on it, and that's the passenger side. So a quick look at the connector here, and I've used the pick behind it, there, like that. And now go behind it and just gently wiggle it off like that, okay? So it's nothing to it. So look, there's a bolt up here on this side of the connector, and then there's another bolt down there. You're gonna just detach the bolts and the nuts that hold the bag on the whole way along and pull it out. The only, semi-tricky thing is there's a bolt that holds this to the front, basically towards the front. And when you release that bolt, it feels like, hey, why won't the bolt come out? But there's a little retainer clip there. So as soon as the bolt is wiggly like that, it's probably loose and released from there. Then there's this plastic tab right here, which is stuck in a hole in the ceiling, and you need to use a screwdriver to just pry that out. And once you do that, you can rotate the whole thing down and away and get it free of this clip. Bolts and nuts, put them all back, and you're good to go. The trickiest part of this whole job so far is you remove this piece of foam that's in there, and there's a bolt way down there that basically this cord connects to right here. There's a bolt that you have to remove. Now, it was not bad coming out. I used a 10mm ratcheting wrench to pull it out. But to get it in, you can't get your fingers down there while you have a wrench in. So what I figured about doing is I take a long pair of needle nose pliers straight to go down and hold the threaded side of the bolt. And I have a 10mm ratcheting wrench on this side. So I hold this and I use the ratcheting wrench. Once I dropped the ratcheting wrench way down there, but due to the grace of God, it came out down here and I was able to get it. So anyway, that's the trick. If I didn't have 10mm ratcheting wrench, don't even attempt this.